Flax seeds are in weight loss diet plans, weight loss drinks, hormone hacks, and even in your rotis first. But are all the claims real? Not everything you hear online is true. Let's burst the myth. Hi, I'm Shruti Medappa. I'm a clinical dietitian and a meditation coach. Myth number 1. Eating flax seeds burns belly fat. The fact is, flax seeds are rich in fiber and omega, but fat loss comes only with overall diet and your activity. Myth number 2. Whole flax seed is same as the grounded flax seeds. The fact is, whole seeds often pass through undigested. Grounded flax seeds release required nutrients such as fiber, lignan, and omega-3. It is better absorbed by the digestive system. Myth number 3. Flax seeds increases the hormone estrogen. Fact is, they contain phytoestrogens that help balance the hormones. Remember not to overload them. Consume it in a moderate and safe level, not exceeding more than 1 or 2 tablespoons per day. Myth number 4. Flax seeds are bad for thyroid. Fact is, there is no strong evidence which proves that it is affecting the thyroids. But remember, always it is better to be consumed in a cooked or a roasted form. Myth number 5. Flaxseed oil gives omega-3 and it is healthier. Fact is, it lacks with fiber and lignan. Use oil raw on salads. Don't cook it. Flaxseed is powerful when used in right amount and right way. Remember, it is not a magic pill, but a daily booster. 1 tablespoon of flax seeds fetches around 55 calories with 2.5 grams of fiber and 1.8 grams of protein and 4.3 grams of fat, which is mainly from the omega-3. Thank you.